The battery box is essentially an Airstream's heart. All things powered must find their way to this location. To find this main artery and where it exits the trailer, spend a few minutes inspecting the underside of your rig, then find the same exit point from the inside.
You should choose a cutting point that gives you the needed length from the router to the battery compartment, plus about 5 feet. This will maximize the cable length left over to reach from the battery compartment to your dish. This happens to be the second time I've completed this modification, so I already had cable from the dish to the battery compartment. Leftover cable here, after trimming at the battery compartment, will be used to make an extension cable. The Starlink cable is routed with existing cable into the battery compartment, terminating at a shielded Cat6 RJ45 industrial panel bulkhead coupler. All items here can easily be found on Amazon. I used an Ideal Industries crimping tool and an RJ45T568B wiring configuration. This sounds technical, but using the diagram provided in this video and the instructions that come with the crimping tool, anyone can complete this connection. And that extra 5 feet of cable I mentioned, it will come in handy if you need a few attempts to complete it. But you should not fear cutting your overpriced Starlink cable. This connection can be time consuming, but is very doable. I used non-slip rubber chair leg caps to make weatherproof caps to cover my connections. They can be found at Lowe's or Home Depot.